Just a quick video today showing how I built the Bluetooth module for my amp. Now first you need one of these things. They're just to plug standard earphones and auxiliary cables into the amplifier bigger hole. You get them on the cheap microphones and pound shops. And then I bought an aux cable from the pound shop too, but I had a wild big jacket to fit into that there, so I just kind of pulled off the jacket and soldered it again so it fit inside this. But again, you could probably just buy one that fits, so that goes in there like that. Then I bought a Bluetooth module off AliExpress, and that's the main thing. I also wanted it to be powered by battery, so just again from a pound shop I bought a cheap power bank for about 10 or 15 euro. And then the last component you need then is just this cable. Just need them 2 bits so you can plug the power bank in to power the Bluetooth unit. Again, that Bluetooth unit can be just plugged in with a standard like old type Android charger. The end of the box, I just put a wooden base to screw on the board and the power bank. Power bank's held on by Velcro. I put a couple of holes to put the power and earphones on, and for the power bank itself. And then I just, after I tacked them onto that board, I tacked some hardboard onto it and just spray painted, glued it together and spray painted it. Setting it up's fairly simple. You just plug this thing into the input of the amp and plug this end of the aux cable into it. And then the other end of the aux cable goes in here on the Bluetooth module, and the Bluetooth module is powered off the power bank like you would power any phone, and turn on the amp. And then you just connect it like you connect to any other Bluetooth speaker. Settings. Sorry, my phone's a while slow. Bluetooth. BT210. That's it connected. And we'll just play my other video just so you see it. That's it.